Endpoint Detection and Response. It's for endpoints to detect and respond on different kind of scenarios. So let's say the end user downloads infected malware file, so they download a file which is a malware, let's say that, and the operation system identifies that it's a malware. That's endpoint detection, and then it's blocked that you cannot start this malware file. That's the response, let's say that on a very high level, kinda. That's EDR. For example, one of the largest clients we had just 200 different policies across the whole institute for EDR configuration. And this is just for endpoints, so desktop endpoints, desktop and laptops, obviously, but for end user devices. Most of the challenges are actually having full coverage, since for some reason there are multiple events which prevents having a functional EDR deployed for different reasons in a larger environment. A lot of edge cases, let's say that. And you need to be able to detect, since usually the issue happens where you have a system where some of your security controls are not in place. It seems like a straightforward topic for most of us, but EDR can be slightly more complex. Like in some cases, it can detect that a malware successfully executed on a machine and it was not able to block it. But then with the EDR system, you can isolate the endpoint or shut it down, kinda, or remove it from the network. And in some cases, these systems are the most important ones. So for example, let's say there's a system administrator with a freshly installed laptop, and for himself, for some reason, he used an image which doesn't contain the EDR software by default, and he also starts to administer their Active Directory environment, and he also downloaded some malicious software previously by accident, and boom, the whole organization is hacked.